Welcome to Intercept Technology and this demonstration of working with primitive shapes in Pantheon. Pantheon gives you the ability to create a variety of different primitive shapes. These shapes can be created on any layer within Pantheon and do not carry with them any connectivity attributes. As you can see, we have already created a circle, a rectangle, a path, an ellipse, and an arc. You can see from this menu the many different primitive shapes that can be created and the different methods of creating them. Now we will demonstrate the creation of a polygon. To create our polygon, we open up the Shapes Icon palette and select the Create Polygon icon. Pantheon gives us the choice of which layer we want to create our polygon on, and we will use the default layer. In order to create the polygon, I will locate each vertex by clicking my mouse where I want them to be placed on the screen. I also have the ability to enter these vertices by command entry, which I am not demonstrating here. Now that my primitive polygon shape has been created, I can manipulate it in a number of ways. First of all, I can pick it up and move it. I can also change what layer it will be on. I can alter its shape by moving the individual vertices. I can flip it. I can scale it. I can rotate it. I can cut into it or divide it completely. I can fillet the corners. I can chamfer the corners. I can also create a copy of this polygon. Once created, this copy can be moved over on top of the original polygon. These two copies are now sitting on top of each other, but they are still separate entities. However, we can also merge these two polygons into a single polygon. We can also expand the entire polygon at this point. Now here is something that is interesting. We can select this polygon and use it to create a template of itself. Once this template has been created, we can delete the original polygon. As you can see, the original polygon is gone, but the template in the white outline remains. Now all we need to do is create a new polygon on a different layer, and Pantheon will generate the polygon using the template that we created from the original polygon. The ability to create these templates have many uses. For instance, I will convert this circle into a polygon and then move it into the main polygon. Since the circular polygon is still selected, I will use it to create a template and then delete it. Now I will select my original polygon and reconfigure it for a cutout. Note how the circular polygon, which is now a template, creates a perfect circle cutout in my main polygon. All of this is a fantastic way to create and manipulate primitive objects, but we are still dealing with primitive objects without any connectivity intelligence to them. If I try to select the polygon as a net object, for instance, it won't select because it is only a primitive shape. In order for us to integrate this shape into our design, we will first move the polygon back to the top layer of the design. Next, I will add a primitive path from our polygon to an electrical object on our design, like this surface mount pen. And now I will execute a Pantheon command which will convert primitive objects that are touching net objects into intelligent net objects. Observe how I can now select my polygon and its connecting path as part of the entire net. Also note how I can now select my primitive polygon as an intelligent area fill, and I can route my primitive path as an intelligent wire. As you can see from this demo, the sky is the limit as far as the various and intricate design patterns that you will be able to create using Pantheon. Thank you for watching.